So hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to rotate an image on Photoshop. So all you have to do is to launch the Photoshop application, make sure that you've imported your image, and then from there you're going to make sure that you have selected the layer. From there you're going to head on over to the image, and then you have clicked on the image rotation. From there I can either decide my image to either be in the 90 degrees clockwise, 90 degrees counterclockwise, arbitrary, and as you can see, flip canvas horizontal, flip canvas vertically. So let's decide to go with the 180 degrees. As you can see, this is how it looks, and we can even decide for our image to be in 90 degrees clockwise, also in 90 degrees counterclockwise. And as you can see, I've returned it to the 180 degrees. And thank you guys for watching this video. I do hope that you did learn something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.